Oh.
You
Okay.
poor thing, yeah.
Okay, time to calm down. Okay.
That's a pretty good mason jar you got there.
I just wanted to ashamed.
Yeah, no. Oh, see, I didn't even try that time. I didn't even do my noise. I even forgot what my noise was.
I thought I did that.
No.
Damn it.
See, I just want one day where I could just, jump out of a room and just go, fucking scare the shit out of him.
Joey.
It begins.
Do it.
Bite the pillow, I'm going in dry.
Unleash the power of the vomits.
You motherfucker, I swear to... Holy shit! Oh my god.
You poor kid, you.
I'm on to you. I'm watching you now.
Oh,
See, I'm trying to sit here and enjoy my juice. Yeah, you're making noises and make me spit out the product that I'm...
You okay, Mr. Garrison?
It's all good, my friend.
Okay, no more.
You good there, champ?
Uh-huh.
You gonna survive?
Mm-hmm.
The survivor, you're gonna make it.
Mm-hmm. I'm just really thirsty right now.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Because when I get thirsty, and I just fucking sip that shit.
Jesus Christ.
So I completely understand.
Oh shit!
Did it go up your nose?
Oh shit!
I think I answered my own question there.
I think you did.
Oh no.
Oh, Gary.
Again, forgive me, Padre. I have sinned.
You said...
You better get that crucifix, man. Get on your knees and stop praying, man. Get your
fucking
Bible. You better stop praying, man.
Shit, better say fucking 30 Hail Marys at this point.
I was gonna say, should I get out the knee pads?
Dude, Hail Marys, man. That's
get the Hail Marys. Shannon, you're gonna fucking kill me, man. Put me in my own grave. Okay, now can I just enjoy my juice in peace?
Okay. You can enjoy your juice.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
You're quite welcome.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, come on. I didn't even do anything. I didn't even do anything.
Fucking laugh again. I fucking love that laugh so much. Those girls fucking better not fucking kill me. I'm gonna kick their ass. Okay, I think I'm okay.
You okay there?
What the shit?
Just go ahead and take a sip. It's all good.
Okay.
Okay, Shane, this time. Shane, let's try and back it down.
Okay.
Oh, I'd like to, but
Okay.
Oh, Jesus, Shane.
It's good juice, isn't it? I bet. I'm not.
He's not even doing it.
I'm not doing nothing. Just enjoy that shit.
Okay,
Hey,
you got
man.
it? Okay,
Everyone loves grape juice.
Oh, I don't like grape.
It's full of fiber.
It's full of fiber.
Fiber.
Fiber. Fire.
See, now that I'm not even doing nothing. You can't blame me on that.
That was me. I think that was...
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
That was you.
Okay.
The fuck even was that?
I didn't do anything.
That's
I don't know what you're talking about.
I heard him. noise. I heard that. I heard.
Uh,
Okay, meditation. Okay, Buddha, boom.
What the shit?
I'm coming in peace. Gonna drink juicy like a bossy. Okay.
Bossy.
Okay. Okay.
Mm-hmm. You can't hide what's inside.
Oh God.
I am completely calm.
For now.
Yes, I'm completely calm. There we go. See?
For now.
We are calm.
It's not meant to be.
It's gonna meant to be. We're calm. There we go.
It is gonna meant to be.
It's not meant to be.
I am calm.
Qualm.
Calm.
Yes.
Calm quiet.
Jesus.
I am at peace. I am at peace.
Oh gee, there's a bunch of werewolves after my ass now.
I'm at peace too, and I just have a good old sausage.
Hey, you know what? That doesn't sound too bad actually, right?
Oh, yeah, right? It's like a bratwurst.
Okay. Okay, calm down.
What the fuck?
Calm. That's right. Calm the nipples. There we go.
I was about to say, rotate your nipples in a 30-degree angle.
Twist them
Yes.
nipples.
The
Twist those
nipples-
nipples, Gary.
The nipples
Twist
are
those
being
nipples.
twisted, being rotated in a 30-degree angle.
Twist the nipples, Gary.
There we go.
Twist them.
30 degrees, then 60,
Yes.
then 90.
The other way, then there we go. There we go. Spray a little Febreze. I am at peace. There we go.
Smell that shit!
Shit, Tyrone. I did it right this time, not Tyrone.
Yeah, man.
Shit, Tyrone. Oh, yes.
Okay.
There it goes again.
Spray the Febreze. Okay.
Oh,
there we
here it
go.
goes again.
Take
Oh,
three.
here it
Take
goes again.
three. Okay. Get this out.
What?
Okay, that's all. Okay,
It
let's get at peace.
WTF. Oh my
Here
god.
we go.
It's not meant to be.
It's meant to be, I swear. Okay. Grab the mug.
You know what's meant to be?
Hmm.
I'm gonna make you laugh.
No,
Hard.
that's not going to happen. I just want to sit here and join the final little bit of my juicy in nice, peaceful manner.
Wieners.
God damn it. We
Just
didn't have
imagine nothing but wieners.
No, I'm not imagining no wieners.
Gary.
No
Drew's a dumbass.
no pee-pees involved with this.
So many wieners.
No, we're not. No wieners. Okay.
So
Juicy.
Wieners.
Juicy. Finish the juicy. Gotta finish the juicy. Here we go.
and
This is the last piece. And
Winners.
no wieners.
wieners.
There is no wieners.
Wieners.
No wieners.
Wait.
There is just some purple substance that tastes like grape in this mug.
Purple drink?
Wiener.
Yes, it's purple drink, and we're gonna finish the purple drink right now. Here we go.
Shane.
What?
Gary said wiener.
All right, purple drink down the hatch.
Wiener. Son of a bitch.
All right, time
Did it.
for another round of purple juice.
Oh,
Hey,
you are a
juice.
glutton for punishment, my friend.
Oh, don't worry. He's gonna
I can't
get
help with the
you.
fact that this stuff is. I can't help with the fact that this stuff actually tastes really good.
I can understand that. I have purple drink of my own. It's pretty good.
Yes, okay.
It's not the actual purple drink, thank God.
You know what? You know what I love
That's the
about
last
Bloodborne
of it.
most, Shane?
Hmm?
And that is the game when it's not just the game when the Gothic aesthetic. It's the I guess it's just the mystery of the Gothic story to it, the mystery of the story to it as well.
That's what's great
Yeah.
about Bloodborne. Okay, round 2, down the hatch. I'm watching you both. Okay.
You know, I have only but one question.
Hmm.
I have one for both of you.
Okay.
You ever get that feeling when you just let one rip and your butt cheeks slam together?
Yeah.
I know
Okay.
that. I know that feeling.
It actually it's happened to me kind of.
Okay.
Okay, I'm just making sure because you know I don't want to be alone in this.
No.
Okay, that's good.
Never.
Mm,
Yes.
Oh, you motherfucking werewolves!
mm.
I'll kick your ass.
I'm gonna drink this down like a boss.
Oh, you better not fucking corner me. Yeah, that's
Yes.
right.
Yes.
You son of a bitch werewolf.
Yes.
I got two of these fuckers crawling up my ass now.
I'm not gonna put it out. I'm not gonna let it out. No. I'm not gonna. No.
Now you just gotta let it go.
No, let it go.
I
I gotta go. Take a pull. Okay.
What?
I know that doesn't make sense. Okay.
You heard him.
Gotta go. Take a po.
Okay.
You heard him.
Okay.
Son of a bitch.
I didn't do anything. I just did something.
Oh, okay. He hasn't said really yet.
Okay, here we go.
Today, Brody.
Yes.
I got some on my face.
Yes. No. Gary. Well, what? Jesus, Jane, I think you're killing him.
I think so too.
I think we're both doing it, actually.
Uh-oh. Let it go. Let it go.
I'm gonna finish this juice, god damn it! Whether you like it or
It's
not,
okay.
I was actually quite perfect.
I'm gonna finish this juice!
I see. Hold on. Gary, hang on. I'm going to show you something now, okay? Hang on.
Okay.
Alright, hold on. Wait for it.
You back the fuck up, werewolf. Okay, fine, you're gonna get your ass kicked.
I see you.
Okay?
I see
Don't do
you.
anything. I need a drink too. Alright, don't
Jesus.
worry. Okay?
Okay.
Fucking
Are you good?
Yes,
Good?
I'm good.
Okay. Okay.
That fucking noise. It's right next to the damn straw.
No.
You bastard.
I am a cold ass honky.
Damn straight.
And pathological liar.
That's so I have too. What was he attacking? That fucking noise.
Oh, you poor kid.
So I pick that blood star B so I can hold, so I can get that.
You good there? You good there? Oh,
I guess it's not okay.
not quite there just yet.
Jesus. Fucking werewolves.
That ain't good.
No, you back the fuck up. Okay, fine. Fine. Anyone else? Good.
I didn't even see him drinking.
And neither did I, actually.
Ah, he's sneaky. That's the only way. That's
true.
the only way he's gonna
Blood
stop me.
echoes.
There's a little bit left.
10,000. Now I have 10,000 echoes. Jesus, God, I have 4 werewolves to fight now. 4 the mini guys, not the actual, like,
Maybe.
big wolves. The mini werewolves, so.
Maybe. You good there?
Gary's face.
You okay there?
Yeah, I'm alright.
Good.
I want more.
And go get more then.
There's no more.
No.
Too bad.
No. Hot damn.
You know, I could have some right now. I could have some vanilla Coke right now,
That sounds pretty good right about now.
and I have a whole case of it.
Oh, that was beautiful.
Oh, it is beautiful. It's beautiful.
Boop.
God, that fucking laugh.
Oh, I'm done. I'm done. I can't do it.
Are you okay?
Good.